This is our 1974 Ford Club Wagon Chateau. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around to the van, and then there'll be some clips of the interior, as well as, towards the end of the video, some running and driving clips. So we purchased the van here locally from a gentleman who had had it for about 8 years. Over the course of his ownership, he finished the interior, put new wheels and tires on it last year, and drove about 7,000 miles over the course of his 8-year ownership. So we like this van for a lot of reasons. Number one, it's all original paint throughout, as confirmed with an odometer. It's bright blue over a blue Houndstooth interior. Really sharp combo. Odometer reads 1.7 to 1.9 throughout, so super thin. Just a very honest car. I mean, you can see there's little chips and scratches, little dings everywhere, all sorts of stuff, but it is just a bone dry, all original, 302 powered 3 on the tree, which is a lot of fun. It's got a good bit of power, shifts nice and smooth. It's just something different. As you can see, the windows all pop out, glass and light lenses are all clear and crack free. Weather stripping's a little bit tired, but it is watertight. See, the roof's in good shape, no dents, just a little bit of patina. The lights and signals are all functional. We do also have the original white steelies and spare and hubcaps as well. So those will all come with it. Pretty good shape, a little bit of oxidation on the steelies. Wheels that are currently on there, the American racing wheels, are really nice, no damage or oxidation. And as I mentioned, the tires are only a year old. Front windows are roll-ups and track nicely. Really no bubbling on this car. The inside of the wheel wells, the flare is just nice and smooth. Really impressive. As I mentioned, the thing was in Kansas for the overwhelming majority of its life. We bought the thing a few months ago, just been using it as a shop runner, you know, running parts around the neighborhood. Runs and drives really well, and as I mentioned, 7,000 miles of use over the last owner, so it hasn't been sitting, it's had a good amount of exercise. Ready to enjoy. Interior is definitely a highlight. You can see the blue Houndstooth throughout. Door panels match the seats. Headliner, clean and tight, totally intact. Blue carpet is in really nice shape. A little discolored on the doghouse, but that's really it. The heat is functional, the fan's functional, the wipers and wiper sprayers are good, all the gauges work. Aftermarket tack has been mounted on the steering column, and that's functional as well. I actually do think the roughly 96,000 miles on it is accurate. It does turn, and it's just being an all original, you know, survivor van. Condition is consistent with 96,000 miles, so I do think that's accurate. The one blemish of the seats is right here on the driver outer bolster, little puncture there, but really nice overall. Panel fitment spot on, doors open and close nice and smooth, no slamming. Now the passenger side, the door, you can see there's a spring-loaded step that goes out and retracts. Inside the door jams, nice and dry. You can see the welds, no bubbling. The inside the door jams, all around, still have the factory stickers on them. Now here you can just see the cargo area in the back. Pretty sizable. 123-inch wheelbase as well. So the thing definitely has some carrying capacity. We do have a trunk mat as well. And some photos of that.